Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the electromagnetic waves. This is Science 9, Term 1, Week 7. So for day 1, nature of electromagnetic waves. Objectives: define electromagnetic waves and their basic properties. Show awareness of the responsible use of devices that emit electromagnetic waves and differentiate electromagnetic waves from mechanical waves. Okay, for motivational activity, Instaho. O, sino kaya ito? Hulaan natin. Using these symbols. Okay. Yung symbol na anong nire-represent niya? Okay, wavelength. What about this? Okay, electromagnetic field. Okay, sound wave. Ayan na, electric field. Magnetic field. Okay, let us study this scenario. Imagine waking up one morning and something feels strange. You look outside your window, but the sky is completely dark, even though it is already 9 a.m. or 9 in the morning. The sun is nowhere to be seen. There is no warmth on your skin. The air feels colder than usual. You try to turn on the television, but there is no signal. You check your cell phone, no internet, no mobile data, no text messages coming in. The radio is silent, even the Wi-Fi router has no connection. People begin to panic. Plants in your garden start to drop. Solar powered devices stop working. Without sunlight, the earth begins to cool down. So for guide questions, how does sunlight travel from the sun to earth? So sunlight travels as electromagnetic waves or light waves. These waves can move through empty space or vacuum. Pag sinabing vacuum po, empty space. And reach earth in about 8 minutes. For number 2, how do signals reach our phones? Okay, signals reach our phones through radio waves and microwaves, which are also forms of electromagnetic waves sent by cell towers and satellites. Okay, number 3, do these forms of energy need air to travel? O pag sinabing halimbawa air, yung medium yung daanan, kailangan ba ng medium ng electromagnetic waves? Okay, no. No, electromagnetic waves do not need air or any medium to travel. They can move through empty space, which is why sunlight and communication signals reach Earth. Okay, unlocking difficulties. Ano natin itong mga terminologies? Okay, related to electricity and magnetism. Okay, structure of electromagnetic waves. An EM wave has electric field and magnetic field. These two fields are perpendicular at right angles to each other. Move perpendicular to the direction of the wave. This makes EM waves transverse waves. Transverse waves. Okay, key properties of electromagnetic waves. They are transverse waves. The vibration is perpendicular to the direction of motion. And number 2, they do not need a medium. Unlike sound waves, EM waves can travel in space or in vacuum. Example, sunlight travels from the sun to earth through empty space. And then letter C, they travel at the speed of light. So all EM waves, lahat ng members of the electromagnetic wave spectrum family po, travel at the same speed. Kahit magkakaibang kanilang wavelength, magkakaibang kanilang frequency. Kasi based dun sa formula, the speed is equals to frequency times wavelength. Okay, comparison of mechanical versus electromagnetic waves. Ang mechanical, it needs medium. Electromagnetic waves do not need a medium. Example ng mechanical wave is sound waves. So, kailangan niya ng air, ng solid, ng liquid, or ng gas. Example naman sa electromagnetic waves is the light wave. Mechanical waves cannot travel in space, while electromagnetic waves can travel in space or in empty space or vacuum. Okay, real life situation. Situation 1, sunlight. The sun's energy reaches Earth through electromagnetic waves. Number 2, cell phone signal. Signals are transmitted using radio waves, a type of EM wave. Okay, situation 3, television broadcast. TV signals travel as electromagnetic waves. And radiation. Infrared waves allow us to feel warmth from a fire. Okay, electromagnetic waves have wavelength. Okay, ang symbol ng wavelength that is lambda, frequency, and then speed. Formula, C is equals to lambda times F, or that is wavelength times frequency. Bakit C po ang ginamit instead na V? Kasi ang speed baga po is V. So C ang ginamit dyan because C is the speed of light, because frequency, because the speed of the electromagnetic wave is equivalent to the speed of light. So lambda, this is the wavelength, and then F is the frequency. If wavelength increases, frequency decreases. So that is inversely proportional. Kapag humahaba ang wave ang length ng wave, bumababa ang kanyang frequency. Okay, let us answer these assessment questions. Electromagnetic waves are made of electric and magnetic fields. EM waves can travel through blank. Okay, that is vacuum or empty space. Number 3, EM waves are classified as what type of wave? Okay, that is transverse wave. The speed of EM waves in a vacuum is, that is equivalent to the speed of light, is 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, which wave needs a medium? Okay, sound. EM waves are produced by blank. Okay, moving electric charges. The electric and magnetic fields are blank to each other. Okay, that is perpendicular. Which is not a property of EM waves. Need air to move. Yun, hindi niya kailangan eh. The formula relating speed, wavelength, and frequency is blank. Okay, letter A. C is equals to lambda times F, or wavelength times frequency. Sunlight reaching Earth is an example of EM wave.